Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Tablescape Tuesday. It is hosted by The Grace Life, DIY, Home Decor, and Emma Stunt's Adventure. So come along with me as I show you my tablescape for this Valentine's Day Tuesday. So let me tell you a little bit about my tablescape for today. It's actually gonna be just like a little hors d'oeuvre tablescape. And what I've done, I have placed it here in the living room on the child table, which has the seats that you can pull out and dine at the table. My centerpiece is from Home Goods, and what I've done, I've put a Valentine flower inside and a little snow. My salad plate here is from Goodwill. My napkins are from Home Goods. The napkin holder is from Home Goods. And the little red flower on the top is from the Dollar Tree. The beautiful candle holders you see here are from Goodwill. And I showed those in my Goodwill haul. The table runner is from Ross's. The small little throw in the middle that I have used as a table runner is from Tuesday Mornings. And instead of doing a full dinner setting, I just done a table for hors d'oeuvres because we will go out for dinner tonight. Or you can use it as you come back home for dinner as a late night snack or hors d'oeuvres with your wine. I want to thank The Grace Life, Home DIY, and Emma Stunt's Adventure for inviting me to be a part of Tablescape Tuesday. I want you to make sure you go over and check out all of the creators who are participating today in Tablescape Tuesday on this Valentine's Day. I want to thank the design family for coming along with me today. And if you're not a part of the design family, I ask that you hit that like, subscribe, comment, and don't you forget to ring that bell and come along and be a part of our family. We would love to have you. This is Emma. I will be seeing you in my next video.